Let me show you this simple strategy you can utilize to catch multiple spikes on boom and crash. This strategy works perfectly on any of boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500 and crash 500. Before I get started, this one is for the beginners. If you are just learning about boom and crash, then you will need to create an account on Deriv. Boom and crash are a trading platform on Deriv that you can use to make some serious profit for yourself. So I'm going to leave a register link in the description part of this video. Just click on the link to create your own trading account on Deriv. Secondly, if you are a Nigerian watching this video and you are looking for a reliable Deriv payment agent for your account funding and withdrawals, then you can use our services. Soget.com is one of the oldest payment agents on Deriv for instant deposit and withdrawals on your Deriv account. So simply visit our website here. You can just see the home page. You can see that we have Deriv listed here, and these are the buy and sell prices on Naira. And apart from Deriv, we also deal on other digital currencies like your Bitcoin, USDT, paper, perfect money. So if you want to fund your Deriv account, the funding is instant. The first thing you need to do is that you just need to create an account on Soget.com. So if you come to this menu icon here, then just click on this register button. So just quickly sign up an account on Soget by just filling and submitting this form here. Click on the sign up button. Then once your account has been successfully created, then you can then click on this menu, then just click on sign in. So on the sign in page, just enter your email address and your password, then you'll be able to sign into your Soget account and just place your order to fund your Deriv account. Like I said, the funding is instant. All right. And also, if you want to withdraw money from your Deriv account, you can also use Soget. The first thing you need to do is you send the money to Soget payment agent on your Deriv cashier. All right. Then you come to our website here as usual. Then just simply sign into your Soget account. Then just place the order for your sell Deriv withdrawal. All right, and once you receive the order, within 5 minutes you get your Naira payment to your bank account. So let me just quickly return back to this boom and crash strategy. Okay, so for this strategy you'll be needing two indicators, as you can just see it on my screen here now. So let me just show you how to add the indicators to your chart. So if you just come to the indicator icon here, all right, so you can see the first indicator is called the relative strength index, and the other one is Ishimoku. Those two indicators are what we are going to combine to get a very powerful system to be able to dictate the boom and crash spikes just before they occur. All right, so the settings for the RSI, if you just once you want to add it, you just click on it, you see the settings. So the period is 14, all right, and the levels is 15 and 85. So, and the style is, you can see the style three peaks here, which is a blue color here. So just make sure that you use the right color as that will match the background of your chart. You can see that my background here is white color. Okay, so for the Ishimoku indicator, just click on the indicator. Okay, and you can see these are the settings as you are seeing here. This style here, this Tenkan-san 3 peaks there, and I use the style to be red color. All right, then the other ones are white. So you need to make sure that you use the color that will align with the background of your chart. All right, once you've done all this, just click on save button here. So if you notice on my chart here, this blue color line is the RSI and this red color line is the Ishimoku. This is the boom 1000 index here. If you look at the RSI here, you can see that the RSI has gotten below 15, which is the oversold region, and the Ishimoku, the red line, also is below this 15. Whenever you notice that the Ishimoku and the RSI are below this 15 for boom 1000 or boom 500, then the next thing you need to do is just wait for a single spike. All right, that moment a spike is going to occur. That's a spike for your boom is going to occur. Now, once that first spike occurs, you will notice that the RSI is going to go above the Ishimoku line. If you look at the spike here, you see this particular spike here, this one that is not so tall. Okay, let me just maximize my screen a bit. Okay, now you see this spike that occurred here. you notice that immediately the spike occurred, then the RSI went above the Ishimoku line. So once the RSI goes above the Ishimoku line and it goes above the number 15 oversold level, then you just simply enter a buy trade. All right, just wait for a lot more spikes that are going to occur in the boom 1000, and that is what you are seeing here. You can see that after this first spike occurred, let's say you entered your trade just immediately when this first spike occurred, then you see that you get this second spike here, and you can see this third spike here. So now that is the entry rule for this strategy. Now what is the exit rule? The exit rule is simply you just hold on your trade, because you are going to get a lot of spike once you've gotten that first spike. So the exit rule for this strategy is when your Ishimoku gets to this 85. Let me just show you some previous back tests of this particular strategy. If we just come back here, you see where this strategy works so effective. All right, so now look at the perfect example I'm saying here. You can see that the RSI and the Ishimoku, they came below the 15 level here, and you can see that the first spike occurred. All right, immediately it occurred, then the RSI came above the Ishimoku line. So you are simply going to enter a trade around here. All right, then you just wait for more spikes. So you can see we had 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see that you would have made a serious profit from this trade just from when the first spike came. You see, another exit rule you can use for this strategy is you can just simply use a stop loss and take profit, which is a risk management rule. Let's say you entered your trade at this point here. Your stop loss is going to be at the bottom, at the base of the spike, which will just be around here. So you can simply use your take profit in a risk of 1 to 3. Okay, so let's say we take this on a crash 1000. Okay, the inverse is just the case for crash 1000 or crash 500. So in this time, you just simply wait for your Ishimoku and your RSI to go above the 85. As you can see in this crash 1000 here, you see that the Ishimoku and the RSI went above 85 here. All right, then you simply wait for a spike to occur. Once the first spike occurs, then you simply enter your trade after the first spike, because a lot more spikes are going to occur, which you are going to catch easily once you are in the trade. So you simply enter your trade around this point here, and you can see that as you entered your trade around here, you'll be able to get 1 2 3 4. All right, you get 4 spikes, and you would have made a lot of money from here. You can see, and you exit your trade here. You can see you are going to exit. This is where you would have exited your trade, where the Ishimoku went below the 15. So this is a strategy that I have backtested very well, and you notice that the win rate is more than 95% accurate. If I just go back, you see another clear signal that you can also use to take trades on this strategy. This is just another clear signal you can use to take trade. The Ishimoku and the RSI, they went above 85 here. Okay, and you simply quickly take a trade. Then you see that a lot more spikes have occurred since then. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can see about 9 spikes occurred after that particular first spike, and you can see in this place you just simply exit your trade. So once the Ishimoku goes below 15 here, you exit your trade. If you enter the trade here, then your stop loss will just be at the top of the candlestick. That's the spike. Just put your stop loss at the top. All right, then your exit, you can use ratio 1, risks of 1 to 3. So that is just how simple and effective this strategy is. Because I don't want the video to be too long, I would have loved to do a trade just to show you the practical of this strategy. I am willing to do a trade in another video. Okay, but for me to know that you are excited or interested in this particular boom and crash strategy, you just go to the comment section and just type boom and crash. Just type boom and crash in the comment section. And if you got value from the tutorial, please like the video. Most importantly, please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon beside it so that YouTube is going to alert you whenever we post more video tutorials like this in future. So thank you for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.